Cassandra Gonzalez. Oh. Good morning.
Morning.
Are you Cassandra Lee Gonzalez?
I am.
Ms. Gonzalez, you're charged with driving suspended. Let's get the right case. It's Juan Gonzalez. You don't want to have his charge. It's alleged that on June 25th at Michigan Avenue and Wood Street, near where you live, you drove with a suspended license. That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. Also requires that your license be suspended. When I was a kid, there was a gas station on that corner called Nick's gas station. I rode my bike down there, put some air in the tires with the tire thing and rode home. My tire exploded. My tire popped about 50 feet from this gas station in the corner, right on this corner. It was only about 70 years ago. At any rate, Ms. Gonzalez, you're on probation right now for an assault charge. And one of the conditions of your probation is you're not to drive a motor vehicle. I mean, you're not to commit any violation of law. Your driver's license is revoked because you have two recent drinking driving convictions from 2023. So there's a ramification that this could be a violation of your probation. And you're under the category, the same category as Mr. Cap, I just don't care. IDGAF. You drove to court here today. Your driver's license is revoked. You're on probation for an assaultive crime, and you drove to court and parked right behind Judge Pattison on the street out there. So I'm of a mind to just put you in jail right now and set it for a pretrial about a month from now and see what you think about that.
Your Honor, if I may, there's some documentation that would be entering a not guilty plea on unless the court has a master driving record that has some other information. We have some information as well that I have reviewed before.
All right. Well, the driving record I see says that she is revoked. 306 East Michigan Avenue. She has a drinking driving conviction impaired in Kalamazoo County on April 11th of 2025.
Sure.
And she has a previous driving while intoxicated conviction.
Permission to approach, Your Honor.
Yes. She got two convictions on the same day.
Not to pre-litigate the case, but just for the purposes of bond, I think that there's some. I think that this is a situation where certain letters get sent.
No, well, okay.
Perhaps in the wrong.
Laura, could you get copies of these for me? She gets one letter telling she's suspended, and she gets another letter telling her she's restricted.
Correct.
One, the restriction is from the impaired and all right, so she may be confused. Well, I'll tell you here, your driver's license is revoked. You can't drive. Despite what you may believe here, you can't drive. You were revoked June 13th of 2025 through indefinite.
It's possible she doesn't have that yet, Your Honor.
That is possible. We'll provide a copy of those to the prosecutor.
Right.
All right, set attorney pretrial for 8:15. That'll be in front of Judge Pattison, and that's probably just as well. He's got your probation. As of June 28th, your driver's privileges are revoked. So we'll get a lawyer for you. There may be reason to see why you may have been confused. All right, you're good to go. Right here at the podium, right there. Somebody's got to be first, and then they always figure, okay, now everyone else knows where to go after you go. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You're charged with malicious destruction of property by injuring a window at Armstrong International over on Maple Street. I've screened my blank. It's alleged that it was worth more than $200, but less than $1,000. It's a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You came by on your bicycle and allegedly threw a brick through the window at Armstrong's. Armstrong's building comes right up next to the sidewalk. I asked him why he threw the brick, and he said he was mad. I asked him what made him mad. He said he didn't know. It just happens. Okay. Mr. Kratzer, are you on probation or parole anywhere?
No.
Mr. Stickley, have you had a chance to discuss this with him?
I did, Your Honor. In this case, we would ask that the court enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf, and it would be appropriate here to appoint counsel.
All right. According to Jenny, I'm supposed to set things for August 15th. I think I'll set this one for that date. That'll be on Judge Patterson's docket, but you can handle it. Mr. Kratzer, you live on Maple Street,
Yes.
so it's not far from Armstrong's? All right, Mr. Kratzer, there's more going on here than is apparent to me. Are you receiving any services from Pivotal or anywhere else?
Yes.
Do you have a caseworker?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll explore that further. I'm going to give you this information. They're going to take you out to the counter. The clerks will give you your lawyer's name and number. I want you to call that lawyer, make an appointment to discuss it with him prior to your pretrial on the 15th of August. The defense attorney will get the police report, get your background, get more information, what this is about. This is a little scary. This guy was in the room and the broken window was broken. The brick landed right at his feet. So I'm not sure, but like I said, there's more to the story than I can see. So you go with the court officer and we'll see Judge Pattison on the 15th.
Okay.
All right, good luck.
All right, bye, Nick.